इंसाफ मिले, मेरे बच्चे ਨੂੰ इंसाफ मिलिया।
मैं इन्हां दा सर मेरे को कोई वर्ड नहीं जिन्हां दा मैं धन्नवाद कर सकां सर। मैं
बिल्कुल मेरी तड़फना खत्म हो गई ਜਿਹੜੀ मैं दिन रात तड़फदी ਸੀਗੀ ना।
Hi, you are watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh. Today is the hearing of Dilrose murder case. Dilrose, and 2.5-year-old girl. She was buried alive by her neighbor Neelam in Salem Tabri area. Neelam was having an old rivalry with the family, and she hatched a conspiracy. On November 28, 2021, Neelam had took the girl along with her on scooter to Salem Tabri area. She dug a pit and buried the toddler alive in that pit. So today was the court of Session Judge Munish Singhal had pronounced death penalty to the convict Neelam in this case. So let's know more about this case and about the hearing today. Today's hearing from Advocate Paropkar Singh Kumman.
It was fixed for quantum only. The quantum has been announced. In fact, there were 3 offences under which she has been convicted. One was 364, that is a kidnapping for the purpose of killing, and for that she has been sentenced to life imprisonment. Second was 201, that is the evidence which she has taken away, or what had happened was when she buried the baby over there in a vacant plot. At that time, she some sort of evidence which should have been there, so that is not there. And then it's 302. 302 is for the murder, and for the murder she's been convicted for the death sentence, with the death sentence.
So you were sharing that during these proceedings there were some calls also to
yeah, I must say some anonymous calls were there in this regard, that you should be looking after all the cases and all that, but somehow I never took it to my heart, because it is my profession. We have to fight for the justice, for the cause, for the society, as a lawyer also, and we've been doing it, and at the end we got the justice.
Like from past 2 days, 2 times it has been they have extended, like court has postponed the pronouncement or decision, right? So in today's hearing, what was your expectations?
In fact, it was not being postponed. The quantum was not being postponed. Rather, there was argument on the quantum for the last 2 days. And today it was fixed for the quantum at 10 a.m. While the convict couldn't come present, she came at about 12 a.m. 12 p.m. in between noon, I must say. And thereafter, while she came, immediately the quantum has been pronounced. And because there were 3 offences, and in all the offences she has been convicted.
What was the argument from the convict side?
They were seeking like mercy. They were seeking mercy. They have committed now. At the end, they are seeking she has 2 kids, and then she has her father is dead, and she is a divorcee. So a lenient view may kindly be taken. But however, the court took it otherwise, because it is one of the rarest of the rare case, and the court announced that it was way back in primitive era when this sort of murders used to take place. And now after so many years that it has happened, so it is one of the rarest of the rare case.
So what the exact order by the court?
You'll get it soon, because it's a very lengthy order. But thing is, the actual finding was on the sentence part, that this sort of offence or these sort of murders used to take way back in primitive era. So now it's being taken. So now the court has taken a very stern view on this.
Thank you. Ma'am, you have got the justice today. What you want to say about it?
ਡੈਫੀਨੇਟਲੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਮੇਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਕੂਨ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਮੇਰੀ ਰੂਹ ਨੂੰ ਸਕੂਨ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਵਾ। ਬੇਸ਼ੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ, ਪਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੰਦਰ ਦੀ ਤੜਫਣਾ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਈ। ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੜਫਣਾ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ ਤੜਫਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਨਾ। ਇਨਸਾਫ ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ, ਔਰ ਉਸ ਲੇਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਫਾਂਸੀ ਦੀ ਸਜ਼ਾ ਸੁਣਾਈ ਗਈ।
Today justice has been served, but
सर गुड मैं सर घुमन ज़्यादा बहुत सर थैंक्स करता सर जिन्होंने अज एडे संघर्ष करके सर BD गुप्ता जी का धन्यवाद करता सर, उस रब का सर जज साहब का धन्यवाद करता जिन्होंने फांसी की सज़ा सुनाई है। सर मेरे को कोई वर्ड नहीं सर जिन्हों का मैं धन्यवाद कर सका सर जी।
ਸਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡੇਲੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀ, ਤੇ ਪਰੋਪਕਾਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਘੁੰਮਣ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਫਾਈਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੜੀ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ?
ਘੁੰਮਣ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ, BD ਗੁप्ਤਾ ਜੀ ਜਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ। ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ ਵਰਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਾਂ ਸਰ। ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਰ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜੀ।
So victim parents, they are into tears because the Court of Session Judge Muneet Singhal has announced death penalty to the convict Neelam in this Dilrose murder case. They are thankful to the advocate and to the Almighty that they have got the justice in this case. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu, The Savera.